Okay. As a part of recordings, you will get two activities or two folders. First one in the basics. Now in the basics, you will have basics recordings. The way you need to work on is with the notebook. Open the UiPath Basics notebook, and you can start from task one. Like if you are having enough knowledge on what is UiPath and all, you can go directly with task list. But if you
Mm.
want to start with something that is pretty basic, like how to ask queries and what are the definitions, you can go with this. My
Mm.
suggestion would be to go and start with task list one. And here you will have all the tasks. There are around 34 tasks in basics that you can complete and cover and complete. Now in task one, you will be having a recording. Let me just check on the recording part. But yeah, now you will be having a recording. Along with that, you will also have the screenshot on how you need to complete this task.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
this is
Yeah.
what you need to follow and complete. And the same way goes for task two, task three, and all the other tasks.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So again, if you want to check with the recordings, these are the task recordings directly. You can go and check here, or you can go something like this day one. You can click on here. Hopefully, you should get the recording of it.
Mhm.
If you have some problem with this, let me know. But if you don't find the recording link over here, you can directly go to the recordings from here and then start.
Mhm.
Okay. Now, in some cases, if you want to check other months recordings, you have the access for those two. Like you have the access for the complete folder. Now in the program recordings, you have multiple other folders, but follow what we have given you. This is what you have. And here you will have it in the sequence, like from day one, day two, day three, how you need to follow. Now, if you need to have some interview questions, that's also available in the OneNote of basic. Clear
So it
on this?
it covers all the basics, right? Right from start to end.
Everything that you need for a job, everything will be covered for you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, along with this, you are also provided access for projects. So the projects access will be something like it follows the same structure. Files, UiPath. Yeah, this is the projects notebook. Again, overview contains generic information, maybe how you need to start and where you need to start. We have GitHub as a prerequisite. If you are planning to work with code, go ahead and start with GitHub. Here you will have understanding on how to start GitHub and all. Studio
Yeah.
installation, how to install Studio. Since you already have access, like since you're already working, you should be good on. Now, again, this also contains tasks, and here from log message, you will have all the information. Here
Yeah.
are the steps. Like in projects, it will be more detailed on the process, not only with the code. Here you can see how to create just a log message, but how to work on it at a asset level and what are the names of the asset that you need to maintain, storage bucket name, and all these details are available. And you need to create all these activities, and you need to also do for a deployment, go for a deployment. How you need to do a deployment is also available over here.
Okay.
Okay. Now, most of the activities are linked, so you should be good on what you want to do here. Okay. Now, like this, you have around 11 tasks in projects. Creation of custom component is also covered in this, and some resume discussion video. Along with that, you will have discussion about resume again, discussion about your resume and general what you need to have in a resume.
Mhm.
Now, there are some live interview use cases, still making some changes on it so that you can get benefit out of it. But most of the questions are already available over here that you can go ahead and check.
Oh.
Okay. Now, something interesting from here in the overview, you will have important links and see this is the prod orchestrator.
Mm.
First, complete some code and then ask for prod orchestrator. I will give you the access. You need to deploy each and every code of yours into production orchestrator.
Mm. Okay.
And here, I don't think project tracker you will have access. Yeah, you can go into any of the recordings. If you can see here, of course, you already have access, but you can just go ahead and click over here and this will open the video. In case if you want to go back and see what are the other details, click on UiPath project. Okay. Here you will have again details about pages. Okay, let's just close. Okay. So here you will have program recordings where you can check all the recordings of previous activities. Along with that, go to view only. Again, just go ahead and navigate through the sites. It should be easy for you. Just folder structures is what we are maintaining. Along with that, you will have coding test where you can see all the coding test details that are available. Along with this, you have interview questions. In the interview questions, you have something called scenario based interview questions, and all these are available for you. And if you want to see any project notes or resumes, sample resumes, these are also available for you. You can go ahead and see, access them. You will only have view only access, so this will help you to not to modify anything, just to read them and to complete them. Clear on this?
Yeah, I got it. Okay.
Just go ahead and get started. Now, start writing code is what I would suggest. And
Yeah.
if you want to do and build autopilot code, go ahead and do it. I'm okay with it. But you need to complete the code and get things.
Yeah, sure.
Meetings at regular intervals like this,
Mm-hmm.
maybe half an hour every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Okay.
If there are holidays, then we'll not connect anyhow. But even if you have some question not on the meetings, you can just ping me up to ask.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. All the best, Rishabh, and keep me posted with all the updates.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you, Ajay.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.